Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm testing out a new brand which I've never tried before, and it's called Delfy Makeup. They do like a full range of makeup and I've got a few little bits that I'm going to try out for you. I've not tried any of these before. They've literally just arrived, and yeah, so if you want to see how these look and how especially they look on pale skin, then make sure you carry on watching. So I've already done my base makeup as I haven't got any of that from the brand, so I'm just going to go straight onto brows, and I have two brow pencils. One is coffee and the other is taupe. I'm not actually sure which one is my colour, but yeah, they're just pencils and they come with the little bristles on the back. And I've also got a brush as well, which is brush at one end and spoolie at the other. I'm going to go in with coffee first, which is the lighter shade, and it's quite a brown colour, so I'm just going to try that. Like I said before as well, I'm not very good with brow pencils, they always go wrong, so we'll see how this turns out. That's one brow done. It's actually really easy to use, and I'm not having to press really hard to get it to come off. Like with a lot of pencils, I find that the lead is really hard and it just does not come out very well at all. But this, it's pretty soft, so it does start to show up. And actually the colour is not that bad. I could brush it through. I like that. Go do my other brow and then I'll get back to you. So yeah, I quite like how those brows look now I've got both done, and I really like the brush as well that it came with. I think the brush end is going to be really good for using a pomade because it's so thin, and I just think it'll work really well. Next up is an eyeliner, and this is a felt tip liner, which I actually find easier to use for the flick part, not necessarily going along the lash line. So this could go horribly wrong. I'm also really bad at eyeliner, so it's probably not going to be even either. But like I said, I'm just testing it out to see how these products work, as I've never even heard of the brand before, so they're new to me as well. One thing I like about this eyeliner is how pointed it is at the end. It's quite sharp, so hopefully we'll get a nice sharp line with it. Eyeliner is actually, it comes out really black. Like, you know, sometimes when you get them, they come out like sort of greyish black, but this is just like black, so it's perfect. And it's actually really easy to use as well. Like I said, I am really bad at eyeliner. It takes me ages, so I'm quite pleased with how that turned out. So I can't get that even, for whatever reason, it just will not happen. But I actually really like how easy that eyeliner is to use, and it's easy to get the end of your wing like quite pointed and sharp, so that's good. Now I also have a mascara as well, and that's an Infinite Lashes mascara, so I'm guessing it's a lengthening one, which is quite good for me as I have quite short lashes which don't curl, so I've also already curled them. That is the brush. As you can see, it's slightly larger at one end, so I don't really know how that's going to work, but we'll give it a go anyway. mascara on, it is quite lengthening, but at the same time I find it gets gone quite clumpy on me. But if you like that spider lash kind of look, then it would be perfect for you. I normally use ones with a bristle brush as well, so I think that's why I found it so much harder to use. But I actually like how it's turned out now. Like, you can see them on camera now, they look quite long. I think the end of the brush as well, where it had that like little ball bit, that is really, really good for getting the bottom lashes, especially the ones at the outer corner. That's a close-up of the mascara on. As you can see, it has added quite a bit of length. So yeah, actually it's a lot better than I thought it was. I quite like how they've turned out. I also have a lipstick, and I think this is my favourite out of everything that I've got. It's just so unusual, which you will see in a second. It's a marble lipstick. Have you ever seen anything like that? I know I certainly haven't, and it's just so unusual. And that's in the shade 030. So I'm just going to get a lip liner. So I've just lined my lips as normal, just using a different liner. And now to put on this lipstick. I'm so excited. Just look how pigmented that is. That's literally like a swipe. Gorgeous colour, and it sort of smells like Ribena for some reason, so I don't know, but I really like how that looks. They also sent me 3 nail varnishes as well, which I haven't had a chance to try yet, which are these. I love the bottles, like with the point, it's so cute. But I think this is my favourite one, so I can't wait to try this, and this is in shade Princess, which is about right. So that is all the bits that I've tried. I actually really like the mascara now I've got it on with like the rest of the makeup. I think it actually looks really, really nice, and it does help lengthen my lashes. And obviously, like I said, the lipstick was going to be a favourite anyway, because I mean, just look how it looks in the tube. I'm just like, oh, I want more of them now. So you have to let me know what you think looks the best out of all these makeup bits that I've tried, and if you're going to try the brand. Obviously I'll leave a link to everything I've tried in down bar below. So I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye!